Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I share pattern drafting, sewing tutorials, DIYs. My name is Bukola. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video we will be learning how to make this beautiful halter neck ball dress, both the pattern drafting and the sewing tutorial. If this is something you'll be interested in, please sit back and let's get started. So right here I have all my materials. I have my pattern paper, my Ankara fabric, my hairstay, tape rule, ruler, lining, and all of that. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing right now is to draft a basic bodice. As you can see in the video, I'm going to be drafting a basic bodice, my shoulder divided by 2 with half an inch allowance for the neck. For the neck, because she's a child, this is a baby girl dress, like she's like 5 to 6 years old. So for the neck width I used 2.5, and for the neck depth I also used 2.5. So that's like a form of round neck. So that was what I used. Then the shoulder, I divided the shoulder by 2 and I added half inch sewing allowance, and I came down from the shoulder by half an inch for her shoulder slope, because she's a little girl. If it is for an adult, you can come down by 1 inch. Then I got her armhole measurement by dividing her bust into 6 and adding 1.5 inch sewing allowance. So that's just for the basic bodies. Then for that half length that I got, I minus a half length from our total gown length from shoulder to abdomen. That's what we are cutting first. Then the down part will be gathers, as you can see in the thumbnail. So what I'm basically doing now is just to draw the armhole. I divided my armhole length by 2. Then at the midpoint, I came in by half an inch allowance. Then I went to that chest line and I mark a bust divided by 4 without any allowance. Then I connected those 3 lines together to form an armhole. So that's my armhole. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is to mark out my neck. So from that neck I'm going to come down by 1 inch round, as you can see it in the video, to form another circle. 1 inch round, I'm going to come down by 1 inch round. So I'm going to go ahead and form another curve. So after that I'm going to come down from the shoulder by 1.5 inches, then connect it down to the armhole, as you can see in the video. Then I'm going to cut it out. You just watch the video. If you don't understand, just watch the video, you'll see everything there. And then I'm going to just cut out my neck and also cut out the armhole area as well. So guys, if you have not given this video a thumbs up at this junction, please do. Please support my channel, please do. And I also post different types of sewing tutorials that are well explanatory, different videos and styles. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, drop your comment if you have any question, and if you have any request, please kindly drop it in the comment section, please, and subscribe to the channel and join the community. Thank you. So this is what I have after cutting. I did the front and at the back, and I went ahead to add my gathers underneath. I added my gathers under it. I'm going to be doing a separate video of how to do your gathers in a very easy way. After adding my gathers, I did my belt and I also do the finishing. So this is the end result. Thank you so much guys for watching. I love you and I will see you in my next one. Bye.